What's up, guys? If you've been quarantining, if you love arcade games, I got the perfect video for you. Stay tuned. Roll the intro. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I've been quarantining for about, how long we been quarantining, Yanni? Like 3 or 4 weeks now, a little over a month, let's say 6 weeks. I've been quarantining about 6 weeks. I've got tired of playing the PlayStation. I've got tired of playing the Xbox. I've got tired of playing the Nintendo Switch. So what I did, I went out to my local Walmart. Yes, the Walmarts are still open. And I found a very, very cool thing that I think you guys might enjoy also. This is the Arcade1 arcade gaming system. It is a replica of the large gaming system that you might see in an arcade. I'm going to unbox it for you guys and tell you my initial thoughts and how I personally feel. If you should spend your $350, I think that's $350. If not, I'll put the price of it right about here, whatever camera's getting me right now. I'll put the price right about here and let you know if I think that you can add this to your quarantine routine. So stay tuned to the video. Let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is what I recently purchased. You can see the Arcade1Up at-home arcade gaming system. I think this is perfect for getting you through those 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 18 days where you just sitting home, eating, not doing anything else. So let's quickly unbox this. If I had, Yanni, pass me that, boo, pass me that. That's my girl. You lost your mind. So let's get into this and see just how good it is. Like I said, I'll give you my initial impressions. However, the only thing I don't like about it so far is the fact that it only has 2 games on it right now, but we might have a way around that. So let's get into this box. This will be a time lapse. I'll probably speed this up. Make sure I don't cut nothing. These were initially $400, but the prices of these, because of supply and demand, have been going up and down and up and down. Can you still see me, Yanni? All right, good. Let's get up in this thing. I don't know how put together it is. I might need some tools, but we'll get it done. There's a lot of tape on here. No, not actually pause. Pause means. Yes, guys, so after finally getting it put together, my little sister was able to immediately start gaming on this system with absolutely no learning curve. She's never really played classic games like that, but this simple game was easy to pretty much get the ropes of. I was quite impressed about how tactile the buttons were. There was no lag or delay in any of the input when it came time to play the game. The LCD screen, even on this one right here, you'll see I actually went out and bought another one. The LCD screen was more than capable of keeping up with the frame rate of the game. I didn't see any drop pixels. I didn't see any lag when it came to doing the actual movements, the characters, and the actual system was putting down. As you can see, the height of this was more than good enough with these chairs that I had. I bought these from IKEA. There's a video that I will put in the link. Also in the top right corner of the video, I'll leave a little info card where you can watch that video. I did this in my IKEA desk makeover video. But for the amount of money that I paid for this, I definitely recommend this gaming system for anyone who loves classic games. As you can see, go get it. I flipped the whole setup. We have both of the systems hooked up, but I want to thank you for watching the video. But all I'm going to do now is sit here and smash my sister up for a little while. If you guys want to watch a little bit of the massacre, feel free to do so. But don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn the bell notification on, and for watching the video.